Hi guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. I miss you so much guys. Oh my goodness, who missed me? Comment below guys if you miss me. Today is Saturday, it's sunny, it feels good. Oh my goodness guys, I wanted to show you it's another season for my pears. For those ones who don't know, I have 2 trees of pears in my backyard here. It's my house here in the US, and in the backyard we have pears. 2 trees, 1 tree is here, another tree is on another side. Guys, my neighbor is cutting grass and it's too loud, okay? So don't worry. So, oh my goodness, why is it so loud? So far anyway, it's a little windy but sunny. The weather is amazing, and I thought, I miss you so much. It's been a while since I interacted with you guys. I know you miss me and I miss you so much. First of all, I wanted to show you my locks are growing. For those ones who have known, I have been growing these locks for 2 years, and you can go to my channel and see some of the videos that I made so that you can know the journey of my locks. The reason is because I never knew that my hair actually can grow for very many years, but surprise surprise, I have the longest locks ever and healthy. So far I wanted to show you how my pear trees, this is actually March, so by let's say June, early June, we will start seeing lots of pears here, and by July we're eating actually pears. So guys, I want you to keep in touch. If you live here near me here in US, you can come by my house and we eat some pears. And I wanted to vlog to you guys, but my neighbor over there actually is cutting grass and it's too loud. And I wanted to give you a little bit of tour. My backyard is messy, and we've been busy, so no one has taken time to come back here and try to fix. Actually, and my another neighbor is cutting grass. This is so annoying, guys. Can you hear? Look at that. Look at that. This neighbor is cutting grass, and this neighbor is cutting grass literally when I'm making my video. And what I'm gonna say, I'm gonna start speaking louder so that they can hear me as well. Also, my garden is here. We have not done anything literally in my garden, but this is the season actually to plant. So probably tomorrow we'll be digging here so that we can start putting some of my favorite greens. For those ones who have watched me for so long, you know I love organic. Anything organic is my friend. I have a little bit of a, kitchen garden here. So far we have spring onions. Oh my goodness, we have spring onions, guys. Look at that, they're so healthy. I love these spring onions. They have been here for so long, and I've been using these actually for the longest. You name it, winter, summer, spring and fall. These spring onions here, they are not going to die. They're just here literally. Hey, let's see guys how tomorrow, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow for you guys how we are going to dig this little garden here. Let me turn the camera so you can see the garden. Yeah, this is the little garden here. I tried to plant sugarcane. Look at that, it's dry right now. Look at that. And those are the spring onions, but we are going to plant. My neighbor is here making noise. My other neighbor is making noise. They're cutting grass. But these are carrots. Some carrots here. But tomorrow we are going to dig here, and we are going to put manure to sit maybe for a week, and then we can start planting, okay? But so far the garden is ready to start planting. My neighbor is just looking at me like I'm crazy. So far these are the pear trees. That's how they look like. They're flowering stage, right? I love them, guys. We cannot wait. This is another pear trees here. And of course, guys, for those ones who know me, you know my swing. This is the moment that we are going to start swinging because the sun is here. It's been so cold, and so far my grass is not doing that much, but we are going to start putting manure so that we can start planting again, and we can start fixing our grass. Okay, well guys, I thought let me sit here in the shade. So far I'm sitting in my backyard. These chairs here, they used to be my pool chairs. I have like 6 of them. We used to have a pool over there above the ground pool, but my kids overgrown the pool and they didn't want it anymore, and we have to take that pool away. So I thought I'm not gonna throw my chairs away. So these are the chairs that I used to sit here actually in my backyard. Let me show you how I put these chairs. Give me a sec. So when the weather is so good like this, these pool chairs, I put them here, another one there, another one there, another one under these pear shades right here, and then we can sit here. When we're sun basking or when we have a party, you can come here actually and sit and enjoy. Let me show you. Right now you can see myself enjoying the weather. It's so good. All I'm missing here is a cup of juice or a bottle of water or a fruit. You know, I love fruits. So anything really to eat and drink, I am missing here. That's why I did not throw away these pool chairs, because there's 6 of them. Somebody can sit there and somebody can sit there, and literally we can make a staycation here in my backyard. Okay, guys, I know I miss you so much, and thank you so much for those ones who have been watching my videos. Guys, I see the neighbors, they're really cutting their grass. For those ones who have been watching my videos, those ones who have been checking on me, what happened to me, I'll tell you what happened to me in a video. Actually, I explained. Don't worry, I'm here and I'll be making videos whenever I can. So guys, don't worry so much. So make sure you watch these videos and let me comment below, guys. Let me know how you miss me. I miss you so much. For those ones who know they're my best friends and you're my fan. Okay guys, I don't have much to say. Let me go to the stores, because you know Saturday if you didn't go to church, you know you belong in the mall, you belong in the stores, just looking and buying literally nothing, or you're doing window shopping. So, and I wanted to buy some oil for my locks, so I need to go to the store and do some little bit of shopping. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you comment and subscribe and share, and let me know what kind of videos, guys, you want to see from here in the US, so that I can you know, show you, and let me know what you want to see, okay, from Umoto lifestyle. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.